You want to create an awesome video like this?
Someone stop him! He is crazy! I came to the hair salon when I noticed a father cutting his son's hair while the boy screamed and begged him not to. But the father was mad and angry, not caring about anything. I was confused and silent at first.
In this video, we'll explore how to create amazing short-form content with the help of AI. Here we are inside Smart Shorts. Just click on the first link in the description to get a 10% discount. And guess what? You can even create 2 videos for free. The reason I'm recommending this AI tool is because if you've ever tried other video generating tools, you know how difficult it is to get images that match your script perfectly. But this tool stands out. It generates images exactly the way you want them. That's why I personally love it. As you can see, this AI tool can create 100% unique videos every single time. You can make videos on any niche or topic without worrying about image generation or editing. The tool handles it all for you. You can either upload your own script or let the AI generate one for you. So let's try this. As you can see here, you can create videos in different languages using this AI. There are around 16 languages available. So if you're going to target any specific country, you can change the language. In this case, I'm going to go with English. Now, they have given these specific niches, such as scary stories, motivation, and more niches. If you are doing a channel related to these niches, you can select any of those from here. Or you can enter your own prompt here, and this AI will create the video. In this case, I'm going to try the script we generated before. So let's select this option. Now, click New Project. Now you will come to this page. This is where all the magic happens. Let's copy the script we generated previously, right here. Then click this Next button. Now, you need to select an AI voice for this. This AI tool provides you with more than 50 AI voices, and all the AI voices are ultra realistic. The crazy thing is that you can even access any AI voice from 11 Labs through this. Unlike the other AI tools, this one has the best AI voices so far. So make sure to select a matching voice for your niche. I'm going to select this voice, which is called Josh. Then click the Next button again. Now, this part is very important. As you can see here, this says one footage for every 2.5 seconds, which means they will put one image per every 2.5 seconds. You can either increase this duration or decrease it. For this video, I will set it like this: one footage for every 2 seconds. Okay, using these options, you can edit the video. If you want to add smooth transitions, activate this one. If you want to add different sound effects, activate this one. This third option is very important. When we use AI voices for a script, it automatically contains silent parts, which are not good for your video. Normally, we remove those silent parts from the audio while editing. But if you activate this, it will automatically remove those silent parts from the audio. The last option is also good. By enabling this one, you're allowing this AI tool to add simple animations to your video. I would recommend you to activate all these 4. It will increase the quality of your video. Then click Generate. Within a few seconds, this AI will create the video. Now this video has been generated. Let's see it.
What life is like in North Korea? Here are 3 crazy rules that will blow your mind. First up, haircuts. In North Korea, you can't just choose any hairstyle. The government has a list of approved haircuts, 15 for men and 15 for women. So, if you're planning to rock that mohawk or dye your hair purple, think again. Next, imagine living without the internet. That's right. In North Korea, the internet as we know it is banned. They have their own controlled network, and only a few select people have access to the real World Wide Web. Facebook, Instagram, Google, completely off limits. And finally, did you know there's a ban on sarcasm? Yes, you heard that right. Making sarcastic remarks about the government or its leaders can get you into serious trouble. Even something as simple as rolling your eyes can be considered a crime. Crazy, right? These are just a few of the strict and bizarre rules in North Korea. What do you think about them? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating facts from around.
This AI tool has 3 packages. The first one is for $19 a month, which includes 20 short videos a month. The second one is for $39 a month. It has 50 videos. And Pro Edition is $69 a month. It has 100 video a month. If you are serious about YouTube automation, then in my opinion, you go with second one. And you can try it for free. Create 2 video for limited users. Link in description.